Are you guys ready? I've had one. Logan, it's one of my favorites. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited for this video because it's all about food, and I love food and I love cooking and I love eating, so everything above. So if you guys don't know, I am vegan. So here are my top 5 favorite go-to vegan breakfasts. Hopefully this will inspire you guys to include more plant-based / vegan meals into your quarantine diet. And hopefully you guys enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. I have another video planned to come out soon that are my 5 favorite go-to vegan lunches. So make sure to be on the lookout for that video as well. Enjoy! So this morning, I'm going to be making my all-time favorite breakfast, which is a smoothie bowl. And this is a really simple, really easy breakfast that you can put together really quickly. So I'm going to show you guys what I put in my smoothie bowl. It's kind of weird, but it works. So I put frozen cauliflower, frozen banana, and then any type of frozen fruit, other fruit that I have. So typically I'll do blueberries or raspberries, but right now I have a frozen container of grapes that I just want to finish up because I know it's gonna go to waste. Also add vanilla protein powder in it. So I know frozen cauliflower sounds really, really weird, but cauliflower literally doesn't have any taste. It's pretty much like ice, but you're getting your veggies in it. Oh, this is my coconut bowl, which is my frozen cauliflower and grapes in it. I'm gonna put it in with my frozen banana. It's all chopped up. Sometimes I like to add one or 2 extra ice cubes to make that extra thick. I will do 30 grams of vegan protein powder with vanilla flavor. I get the one from First Form. I don't know if you guys can see. Their protein powder for vegan is the best that I've found so far. The other ones that I've tried are good in protein, but they're always really high in carbs too, and I try not to I don't really want to do that. So here we go. Protein powder going in. Smoothie bowl. Oh, it's kind of soupy. I don't have a lot of water, but they says this is a big scoop. Oh my god, it's so good. So good. Definitely give this a go. So today I'm going to make a stuffed chickpea omelette for breakfast. Big shout out to Waffles with Layla on YouTube, because this is the chickpea omelette is her recipe. It's so good. It's one of my favorites. So let me show you guys my setup. I got zucchini and spinach and Beyond sausage that's going to go inside. And I got chickpea flour, nutritional yeast, salt, pepper, turmeric, and almond milk for the chickpea almond part. So yeah, let's start and get chopping. is how my ground sausage is looking. It's looking really good. And I'm gonna go ahead and add zucchini to it now. So I've already assembled one of them, but I'll just show you what I'm doing. So this is the omelet part, and I essentially just stuffed it with half of the stuffing and then topped it with sriracha, of course. So I'm gonna do that with the other. This is by far my favorite breakfast. Favorite savory breakfast, for sure. For my all-time favorite breakfast. I feel like I might have said this a few times. So good, it's one of my favorites. My all-time favorite breakfast. This is by far my favorite breakfast, but this is my favorite breakfast. I look forward to this every single week. I have it at least once a week. It's my matcha oats. So you obviously need oats, you need matcha powder, chia seeds, vanilla protein powder, almond milk, and this is gonna sound weird, but also zucchini. So again, shout out to Waffles with Layla on YouTube for this tip. I add grated zucchini to it because it adds substance. It's a great way to get your vegetables in, and zucchini takes on literally any flavor you put in it, so it's just like extra nourishment, and I love that, and it makes me more full. So let's get started. Oh my god, this thing is so beautiful. I love it. All right, We're going in. Oh, I don't even know what to say. I love this recipe so much. I love matcha oats. It's so good. If you don't try this tomorrow, I don't know what you're doing. If you hate oats, make this recipe, please. For me. I'm really happy now. It's the night before, and we're gonna make some overnight steak. Let's go for a bite. Oh, it's so good and so refreshing. Can I confirm overnight oats is way better than chia seed pudding. Bye.